So for everybody thinking about installing the Big Bear Performance Baja Designs LP6 light mount bracket, and then obviously the Baja Design lights, on Big Bear's website they give you a tip. They call it their secret weapon, which is one of these, and they say you can reach back behind and mount the bracket. But I found a much easier way and thought I would share with everybody and save you a lot of heartburn. If you remove the stereo, which comes out these 4 bolts, one on each corner, it pops right out. There's a giant hole through which you can reach the back, and you can reach all of the bolts on the Big Bear Performance mount. Extremely easy, extremely time saving, and removes almost all the stress from the install. I definitely would say that's the way to do it. Do not try to install the mount with the radio in. Remove the radio, reach through the top, and tighten everything up. Well, that's my tip.